Alright, so I'm hungry, so I'm making a bit of lunch. Really basic. I made this egg 장조림. I'll link the recipe below, but it's pretty much like eggs with kind of like a soy sauce. And then I got perilla leaves, my favorite side dish of all time. It's like a pickled radish. And then we got some kimchi, of course. These little packets of seaweed are so convenient, and honestly, even if you just fried an egg and ate it with rice and this, it's like a really good meal. I've been cooking a lot of Korean food these days after my trip to Seoul. And obviously I've had a lot more time because of quarantine and everything. So that's like one of the positives, I guess, of everything that's going on. For dessert, I'm gonna be trying this fresh cream pie that I've never tried before. Comes out like these individual containers. Thin cream pie. Here it is. Got my lemon sugar tea. It tastes like a choco pie, but the chocolate flavor is a lot stronger. 맛있다. Dun dun dun. Ooh. Hi, it's Monday and I am working from home. So I'm about to go to a staff meeting. We do it through video call at about 10 o'clock. And I've got some coffee. This is like my favorite hand cream. It's the only thing that has been helping my dry, chapped hands. Lunch is ready. So I feel like I've been eating a lot of carbs, so I kind of wanted to eat a few less carbs. So I just got some eggs, steak, some lettuce, and some green chili peppers. I'm gonna have it with some almond milk. When I was doing the keto diet, I would eat something like this pretty much for every meal. Like eggs and meat and like some vegetables. Meat is really good too. I'm vlogging my week of working at home, and I just started vlogging. So you're like,
oh, if I knew you were vlogging, I would have put on my. No, I'm just kidding.
no. You, Hey guys, so I am going to be doing Olaplex this morning. So I washed my hair and I'm just doing my weekly treatment. Do skincare now. Stuff with my morning eye cream, ginseng from Origins. This is a great morning eye cream because it makes you look more awake. Apply my PHA exfoliant from Paula's Choice. I really need to get more of these, but I've been obsessed with the Innisfree green tea line. Let's start off with the Balancing Skin. I just got some frozen fruit and some almond milk as a little sweet snack to eat. Matcha. I'm vlogging my week of quarantine. Hey guys, these are my digital friends. I'm about to eat right now. Lunchtime.
With it, right?
What
about you, Ricky?
I edit a lot because
Ricky's editing so good. Yeah, I know, but he's done it for a long time. But like, do you film the same thing, say the same thing over and over and over again, or just you say it and you edit it later?
pretty much that. So I'm going to be using this zip sticker. It's like a medicated acne sticker for a pimple that I have on my face. So I got the little zip sticker right here. Comes in this really cute little package. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has little spikes on it that help infiltrate your acne. And you press it down for 3 seconds and voila, hopefully the acne will go down. I'm eating pretty much the same meal that I ate yesterday because I've got leftovers and I've got to eat it. Rice came out good. 맛있다. Lunch. 나 혼자 산다. I've been obsessed with it for the last little while. Oh, my phone's blowing up. Ooh, you see that meat? This round is clear. For lunch, I'm having some mixed noodles with like kimchi. I'm just taking some photos for my work right now for Instagram, and yeah, here it is. Yay, people are cheering for the medical staff. Woo! Woo! I have so much nostalgia for this show, Roseanne. Most of you probably don't even know it, but this show was on TV all the time when I was a kid, and I always watched it. And watching this, especially like looking at the house on this TV show, is making me think of my childhood. Yay, lunch is served. So this is a fish cake banchan that I made. Kimchi, radish, fish cakes. Mmm. I've actually never made this in my life, the fish cake, but I looked up a recipe today and it came out pretty good. I'm definitely going to make it again. All you really need is fish cakes and red pepper flakes. Shall we try a fish cake? You've definitely got to dip a lot of ketchup in it. Mmm. So yummy.
아 그럼 그쪽에 놓을까? 이쪽으로 이렇게 세워 이렇게 눕혀가지고 아 그럴까? 아이패드로
I'm gonna make some kimchi jjigae. perfect. The best kimchi jjigae keeps it simple. You need ripened kimchi and pork belly. That's all you need. But the trick is that the kimchi has to be good, you know?